What is up, everybody? Today I'm going to be doing a typing test. If you were wondering why is this all zoomed in, it makes it a lot easier when everything is zoomed in. Otherwise, I begin to make mistakes and stuff because you can actually see the words closer up. So, here we fucking go. Shit. Alright, I'm gonna redo. I redo a lot. I actually have like 15 redos before I actually submit, but I'm rambling, so. Shit. I'm gonna do pretty shitty, cause, well, it's not lagging that bad actually, but yeah, I'm gonna get like, oh, 142. That's not that shit. Well, I mean, that might be really good to you, but to me that's pretty. And it's not that shit. It's all right. I'll take it. So I hope you all enjoyed. If you didn't enjoy, I understand. Not everybody likes typing. So see you in the next video.